guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing something. What could it be? I'll be unboxing this Dimple, this sensory toy which is 10 months plus. I got this from my daddy, and which is my uncle. So let's unbox it. So, we're getting it out the package. This is what it looks like, and you can try it. Oh, really nice. So let's let's just unbox it. 3, 2, and whoa! It's from Bat Brain Toy. This is really nice. I would definitely recommend it. And this small yellow one is like a Simple Dimple. And it's just really nice to play with. I don't recommend it for school because it's really loud and distracting and it might get taken away from you. Guys, and this Dimple is good for brother and sister because it is 10 months plus. And guys, I started to be collecting fidgets, and I have these fidgets, these 2 puppets and this homemade popper. And this is my puppet. This is my square one. And this one's my first puppet. And I really do recommend a puppet and a Dimple. But I really like the Dimple more. It's really nice. And it does say Fat Brain here, so it's definitely made by them. So, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. And comment what fidget you like the best. Bye.